Have you ever stopped to consider the world beneath our feet? Or perhaps the world that's always with us, unseen by the naked eye? It's a realm of wonder and complexity, a universe unto itself. Today, we're going to dive into how a tiny piece of dust, viewed under the microscope, can reveal an entire hidden world. We often take dust for granted. It settles on our furniture, floats in sunbeams, and is generally considered a nuisance. But what if I told you that each tiny speck holds within it a microcosm of life, a bustling city of activity? Too small to be seen without the aid of advanced technology? Imagine taking a pinch of dust from your desk. You might see a few dark specks, perhaps some fibers. But place that same sample under a microscope and prepare to be amazed. Suddenly, those innocuous particles transform into a landscape of incredible detail. You might see pollen grains, intricate structures that carry the genetic material of plants. These grains, so vital for the reproduction of flowers and trees, are often beautifully sculpted, each one a unique work of art. Then there are the microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and other microscopic life, forms that teem in this hidden world. Some may be harmless, even beneficial, playing crucial roles in the ecosystem, while others might be potential pathogens. Observing them in action is like witnessing an alien civilization. You'll see them moving, feeding, and interacting, all in the space of a single dust particle. And let's not forget the fibers. These could be from your clothing, carpet, or the very air around you. Each fiber has its own texture, color, and story. Under the microscope, you can trace their origins, marveling at the complex processes that brought them into being. But the revelation doesn't stop there. Examining dust can teach us about environmental conditions. The presence of certain pollutants or the types of organisms found can indicate air quality and the health of the surrounding environment. So the next time you see a speck of dust, remember that you're not just looking at a bit of grime. You're looking at a world in miniature, a hidden universe of life, beauty, and scientific intrigue. A world that, thanks to the microscope, we can now begin to understand, one tiny particle at a time.